Are you preparing for UPSC Civil Services Examination in 2025? NEXT IAS has an exciting opportunity for all of you. The National Scholarship Test. Deserving students will have the chance to receive up to 100% scholarship on tuition fees for our General Studies Pre-cum-Main Foundation course. NST is our initiative to support the talented students who may not have access to quality guidance due to lack of affordability. The test will be held on 15th of October and the last date to apply is 5th of October. NST will be conducted in offline mode in 55 cities across India. If you are interested, please visit nst.nextias.com to register. This scholarship applies to both our offline and live online courses. ये scholarship English और हिंदी दोनों मीडियम के बैचेस के लिए अवेलेबल है. Now let's dive into the scholarship details. You might be wondering, what does up to 100% scholarship mean? Let me clarify. We have 5 categories of scholarships from category A to category E based on merit and determined by your rank. For our offline course, the category A means full 100% off on tuition fees. Category B gets you 75% off. Category C offers you 50% off. Category D grants 25% off. And Category E provides you 10% off. If you plan to join our live online course, the categories have slightly different meanings as you can see on the screen. These shortlisted students can use their scholarship in any of the batches starting between 26th of October 2023 and 31st of July 2024. Now let's discuss the test pattern and syllabus. The test consists of 100 multiple choice questions. Each question is worth 2 marks with a penalty of negative marking of 0.66 marks for each incorrect answer. Out of the 100 questions, 70 are from General Studies and 30 are from Aptitude section. The General Studies section covers 5 subjects: History, Geography, Indian Polity, Economics and Science and Technology. The Aptitude section comprises 15 questions on reading comprehension, 10 questions on logical reasoning and 5 questions on quantitative aptitude. The difficulty level for the General Studies question is equivalent to Class 12 standards and the Aptitude section is set at Class 10 standards. Now the big question, how do you prepare for the test? Don't worry, we have simplified it for you. We have provided an NST study kit on our website which includes reading material for all General Studies subjects. The questions will be based solely on the provided material, ensuring a level playing field. For the Aptitude section, the questions are straightforward and do not require any specific textbooks. If you have any more questions about the scholarship or test preparation, please feel free to contact us at nst@nextias.com or call us. Best of luck with your preparations. Thank you.